Cold.
20 degrees.
Probably colder than that with the wind.
Yeah.
Hold this in your hand for like 5 minutes.
I ain't got my
It'll
gloves
freeze.
on.
How long has it been since we've been out here?
2 months?
Has it been that long?
I don't know, a month.
It's been a minute, hasn't it?
Yeah. Definitely cold. The forest fires are in California.
Is it? I don't know. I just seen some stuff. Is it like all of California or just Los Angeles?
Yeah. All of it pretty on fire.
Well, thoughts and prayers for everybody in California, Los Angeles.
Look at that big bright star right there. You can actually pick it up with the daggone. Yeah, look. That's a bright star to get picked up by this.
That is bright.
That's crazy.
Get you on camera.
Got a hoodie on, a jacket on, a face thing, flashlight. About to put my gloves on.
The flashlight works?
Oh yeah, it works. It's bright.
Alright, well,
It's bright. They wanted some more content. Well, we're gonna freeze and get it.
Yep.
And we're gonna find Bigfoot tonight.
Yep.
Shine in the hole coming in.
Really?
Yes.
Straight across from us?
Yeah, where the big tank is.
Oh yeah.
Anybody got a flashlight?
Well, I'm gonna pull my
Focus.
I left my flashlight at home because I had a unexpected. Oh, look at you!
What'd you do, David?
I'm
This
at
will
that age where
not
you never
focus.
trust a fart.
Oh yeah.
I'm already there.
Now we know.
This is kind of cool. I've never really used a headlamp.
You look like one of them fish is that's like really deep. Was it the
Oh
What's it called?
Yeah, them lantern fish.
but like what's it? Like where are they at? The deep sea?
Mariana Trench in those areas.
Yeah, something like that.
It's
Well,
great.
the moon's directly overhead, and I mean it's
Y'all ever remember there being this many bright stars though?
it's
Like,
pretty
you
clear
normally
right
used to
now.
have like just the northern star that was bright. Now you got this one is bright. That one's a super bright.
Yeah,
That star is
I
bright.
agree with that. They are really shining.
Yeah.
You can see them on camera pretty good.
Yeah.
There's a big one. That's the
So
moon.
you saw
Just
ice
kidding.
shine.
I seen some ice shine just driving in, and so over here. at the
Thank you, my
old
hands are
shell
cold.
house, on the other side, I didn't see the day y'all saw like the shuffle feet of like the whatever y'all saw move that day on the trail.
Mm-hmm.
But I believe I may have seen it driving in right over there. The closest thing I could see, it was like something walking, but it was just it was just like the feet or the calf portions of it. It was like 2 steps and it was gone. And there's nothing over there. It's a wide open space. It's nothing but dead weeds and pavement at that little area. So, all right, got the enforcer tonight.
I do. The new one.
I'm jealous. Y'all have face gear and I don't.
Thanks. Shout out to my parents. Thank you.
You look like a swollen tick. You just
Now I've got some gear at home that I made years ago before this stuff was ever popular.
I mean, your winter get up right now makes no sense. You're like decked out, shoulder to toe. There was an alt behind me.
Yeah.
And then you have nothing on your face or head.
I know.
What do you look at
And I left
Tate? He's
it
ready to go on a
such hurry.
purge.
I left our new thermal camera at home.
So Taylor could screw it up.
So no, this is
You've got that one.
this is a different one.
The one you messed up looking
Yeah.
for the sun.
This is a different one.
Which one's that one?
I bought it before Thanksgiving and just ain't had a chance to get out here and put it to work yet. So
Right.
I guess we'll have another week without it.
yep, that's exactly right.
Well, y'all have a happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
It was good.
It's been a roller coaster. I've been blessed through it all, but it's been a roller coaster. So
We had a great one. It was pretty good.
Mine was terrible.
oh, I'm sorry. You should have come to my house. Mine was my Thanksgiving meal through the roof.
Oh, really?
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah. We didn't do much of nothing for anything. It was terrible.
There's definitely some movement down this trailway right here, but I just ran into something. There's an open trail right through here. See it
Yeah,
on
I
camera?
think so.
Oh yeah.
That hooked the camera too. I'm going in. Where at?
Just straight ahead.
This one?
Yeah, it looked like there was like a trailway straight through there. I heard some movement.
Well, it's open to you.
Dang, this does light it up, huh? Hey, we got our own lighting.
We wonder where she got those at so they can't get uniform.
TJ Maxx.
Who got it?
This is like professional lighting. David, you should see this.
Where's it? Where did she get that at?
TJ Maxx.
Who got it?
My mom.
Really?
They don't have it all the time.
Yeah.
Dang, I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and stay for the morning.
All those discount stores, Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington, they all have like lanterns and flashlights.
So everybody at home, you want to know what some of
That's built into his headgear though.
No, I put it on.
Oh, I thought it was built into
No.
I was all jealous. And I still am, sorta. Now, I got us some headlamps that I bought us for Christmas. Y'all just ain't got them yet.
Yeah.
They're in the bedroom.
Let her rip, Tater.
Just looking at the
Oh, that's like a structure in it.
debris. Yep.
Let one rip. Tater chip.
It's actually really nice.
It
Yeah.
was. It turned out better than I thought it did. Kind of stung the hand a little bit.
Man, this makes this look good.
My lips are chapped. It sucks.
Yes.
It's cold. How cold do you think it is?
It's blowing snow.
Is it blowing snow?
Yeah, on the camera.
Yeah, it was blowing snow coming up the road.
Oh.
When you look at this big snow cloud behind us, it's coming.
Yeah.
How much are we supposed to get?
3 inches.
2 to 3 inches.
Knocks sound really good tonight on that.
Cool shot of you.
What? Oh,
Is that headlamp adjustable?
we got a green light.
I mean, like the
Oh.
power.
Oh yeah. You
We
can
got like a green light on it.
You can do that. You can do just the one.
Gotcha.
You hear that?
Yep.
Right. Or yours left.
Let's get out there and see if we can hear it.
Yeah.
There's stuff moving up here.
I thought the leaves would be that crunchy right now.
I know.
Rain we've had.
Is that blinding you?
No, it's back in the leaves again.
Oh, hold on. Look at this.
What is it?
Oh, look at.
rocks
Oh, it's funny.
frozen to the
It
ground.
finally came up.
People at home don't realize how cold it is.
It's 22 degrees.
Watch, this is a new one.
Throw it to the ground.
I'm actually. Look at that.
Wow.
See, watch. I just
That's
went to
frozen.
pick one
And we
up.
know you northerners watching.
Yeah.
Oh, it ain't nothing. Well, it is here.
Oh, shit. So I got 2 rocks. These are me. That was puny.
I'll tell you what. You can drop some up to me right
That's
there.
you one.
He's gonna foul it off.
Foul it off his head. Don't.
That would be awful.
I think that'd be awesome.
No.
It'd be awesome for the camera.
You gonna give a call, Dave?
There's the wind.
On cue.
I know.
I know y'all heard that.
Look at that in the sky.
Something shooting across there.
Yeah, snow's blowing.
I still haven't seen it.
Look, it's gone.
Yeah, it's going into the clouds. No, that's
That's a cool look. It looks like the northern lights right there, kind of.
Yeah.
Clouds looking
Yeah.
stuff. That looks really cool.
Well, them clouds are rolling, just so you understand. And that big center open spot looks like a shark's mouth. Like a bone.
Oh, in the middle here?
Yeah.
Yep. This would be a great place to just lay down with the stars.
I'm ready to make us a campsite.
We've got the tent and everything.
It is up to y'all. What is that?
I know.
Whoa, what is that?
I told you. That's not a star. It's just floating there. It's like it's just watching us. That's what I told y'all. Like
That's not a star, is it?
No, it's like we're being watched.
That's a bright star.
That's the northern star.
Perfect steps over here. I'm just walking it. So you can tell something scaled the side of this to get up through here.
Yep, sure enough. Something's been walking it.
It is cold out here tonight, people. Getting watched, definitely. We heard knocks and yells. Tate's sliding down the hill down there. Safe! It's cold!
Yes. Yes, it is. It's really cold.
There's movement back here, though. Golly.
Which direction?
Back up in here again.
Have a pain?
It's very quiet.
There's something. I seen a glimpse of like something, kind of like eye shine, if you will, which when your light was moving. So
Very quiet. Here, I got you.
Is it?
What's that?
Is this blinding the camera?
You just can't see your face. You look like a glowing light.
yeah, it'll blind you.
Can you see me?
You look like you're ready for Black Ops with like the gear on the side, the little headpiece and stuff.
Yeah.
Is that the drone?
cold weather.
I don't either. Is that the drone?
The drone? No, it's just a bag. So I've got the batteries in it.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. Look, you can see everything.
It's so like quiet and bright tonight.
You want to go over to the Fear Rock area?
Sure.
Yeah, let's.
Or y'all want to split up?
Well, y'all go that way. I'm gonna walk this way.
I don't think that's a star.
What do you think?
That's too bright, man. I don't know, maybe. It looks awful close to us, though.
Well, it's stationary, so maybe it is a star.
Yeah.
But you can see it good on the camera screen.
And you never can see stars on the camera.
Nope.
Besides me and you, but... no. Oh, man.
Here you go.
I've never given anyone a shout out.
Who you gonna
And
shout
man,
out
there's a guy who just loves us that works for the city of Conover. So Josh, what's up, man? He's a good dude. Look how clear, dude. Oh. Oh. You hear that?
Yeah, we got movement. Let's go.
Something's moving that tree. That's not the wind. One behind these two. Go straight through there. I'll turn this on.
I'll go through here.
Yeah.
Does it not look more clear through here? Hey, look.
Oh.
Yep. Look at that.
That's been pushed over.
Yep. Shiny light on it so we can see. There's the ground where it starts. And then up. Dude, we done that perfect together. And then it got out of focus.
Yeah.
There we're good.
That's crazy. There's a witch's hat.
Yeah, that, I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, you don't.
I mean, you could say storms.
But we haven't had a bad storm. We've been.
Other than the,
But we've been here back since before Helene. That was still up. You know how I know it was still up? Because I always make fun of the witch's hat.
Hey, look good. Something heavy's been walking through here. Well,
Bam,
if you
bam,
see that?
bam,
Yep.
bam,
Yep.
bam.
Striding out, ain't it?
Yeah.
And then look what's right beside it.
Oh, I know.
A tree just pushed down. This is interesting right here.
Yeah, you're taller than me. You try to match those strides.
Match the strides?
Yeah.
Let me see here.
So that one?
I don't want to get in it. But.
Right here. We can cast it.
Oh, I know, but we can look at it in a minute with more detail. So right here, and then, oh, look right here. You can
Oh, wow.
see it good right there.
Yeah, I'm going to try to take it off night vision.
So, we'll go.
It goes blurry.
You good?
Yeah, go ahead.
Over here. Here.
Wow, you timed that perfect.
So, and that's me stretching my legs, and I'm about 6'1", 6'2" on a good day with spiked hair.
Listen.
Hey. Look what we have, Taylor.
What?
An old friend is back.
What?
See anything through the trees?
Can I turn the light on?
Yeah.
Oh, the brake?
No, look through the trees, all the way through. Straight ahead.
An X.
Straight ahead. You gotta look on.
Oh! Oh, dude!
So you can get it on the camera screen.
David!
We got a lot of stuff here, man.
Holy cow!
In a very well-beaten trail here.
Oh, wait till you get right here and see what's waiting for you. Look at this.
God, see if you can get it, Tater.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, we
yep.
got that.
Hang on, we'll get David real quick. And then
Oh,
we'll,
yeah. There you go. Yeah.
And then, you tell us.
It's gonna be impossible to see a print, just so you'll know.
We'll look down below you.
You got an imprint here?
You got indents.
Yeah.
You're not gonna see prints. You're gonna see indentions.
So, come here real quick.
We're gonna see if
Come
you
on.
can spot it.
Come on.
I'm going easy.
And people on the camp, people at home know we don't ever see.
Oh, here we go. Alright, so stand right here. Look straight through the trees. Tell us what you see.
In the dark right now?
Yeah.
Lean over. Lean to your
Just
right.
kind of lean back and forth through that V of the tree and just tell us what you see. Straight ahead. I mean, it's miles away, but just straight ahead.
Oh, the light?
Yep.
Yeah, there should be no light over there.
No. I bet you could probably get it on the camera right here. You can see it perfect right here. It's big. It's almost like there's something sitting around it.
Let me,
Yeah, I mean, I can clearly see it.
it's
I
really
was looking on
bright.
the fourth floor, guys.
Oh,
There's two of them. Can't get it, can you?
let me, excuse me, Dave.
Keep right ahead.
I'm just sitting still. There's grunting to your right, Tater.
I hear it.
That's where I was at.
We still got movement straight ahead of us down here in the holler. So here's my thing about, oh, there it is, I got it. I had it for a split second.
Stud.
A split second.
You might can get it right here.
There,
Oh yeah, you can see it good here.
here it is, I got it. But when you zoom in, see it?
Yep,
It's right there in the center of the screen towards the V of
right
the,
there.
yep.
I made it disappear.
It's alright, we'll find it again. We'll find it.
People just rewind it back and you'll see it. You can probably see it good. I guess if you took it off, you'd still be able to see it.
Oh,
You can see it good right here, but I don't know.
see the night vision off if you can't see it at all. There it is. There it is again.
That's crazy. It's going in and out.
Yep.
That's wild. That's
I mean, it literally looks like it's moving between the trees.
that's something we'll never be able to figure out. Because every time we get to it, it goes away.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, David, there's a straight up cliff over there. Remember we walked up it?
I mean, whatever's over there, that's a difficult spot to be in. And I mean, nobody's camping in this kind of weather unless they're nut jobs like me. So
What is?
my guts growled.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I was going to say,
I won't get shown for it out.
go ahead.
Let's find it.
Mister. It's over there, ain't it? Right there?
Set to your left.
Yeah.
So before you go over there,
Like another plant. Hey.
there's definitely indention right there where your baseball bat's at.
Yeah.
Blowing snow still. Just before you go over there, you're not going to be alone. There's something there. And it was watching us down here. And I'm going to make up stuff, guys. I'm just talking for the camera right now. looking down, I'm going to say 10, 12 feet up. It was red eyes. And no body, it moved to the left and was gone. But it's down there where all them little grove of trees are, and it's light behind it. It moved to the left like it was going over around this way. So I just want y'all to understand, you know, we call this Spirit Rock for a reason.
Alright. Let's see what we can do.
You want to?
I'm just,
I don't want your hands.
no, I'm good. I'm just trying to get you guys.
Oh, you're good? Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. You go ahead.
You cannot see it snowing?
Still haven't seen it. Still have not seen snow. There she blows beside the mound. Oh yeah, there it is. Here rock.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Well,
The rocks are gone.
there's one. Did we put that there? Y'all remember?
I just put one that looked like a quartz on top of it.
It's a
That's
quartz.
probably that one.
Okay.
It's a quartz.
Whoops, beside of you. I should have brought the box.
I wish we had a spirit box.
Guys, I didn't say anything, but I hope the camera picked that up.
What's that?
And not.
Right when he sat down.
What'd it do?
Dude, it was like something going.
Good.
Oh, you ain't been back out here since the rock got thrown at your head. That's how long it's been.
It's been a minute, yep.
Coming out of the tree.
Okay, so I'm still seeing lights down there to your left, Tate.
Through the woods.
Yeah. God, I'm on a mound. I hate these mounds.
Yeah, I know.
What was that?
Oh no, I was walking, so.
Something landed right here.
So y'all know we're in the woods and we're out here looking for a lot of things that maybe we shouldn't be at times.
It's all together.
And I always say that the movies tell us more than we ever really want to know. But there are 2 movies y'all need to watch.
We watched that one again.
The Dark Was the Night?
Oh no, I thought you meant the mound or whatever.
Oh, and you watched it? Yeah. So you need to watch The New Daughter. That will freak
Is that
you
like
out.
a thriller movie?
Yeah, it's a horror picture.
I think I've seen the
Plain as-
previews.
Kevin
I haven't watched
Costner?
it. Yeah, I've seen the previews. I haven't watched it.
Dude,
I
it's
haven't seen it.
unnerving.
I haven't seen it.
Oh! Oh!
You heard that?
Y'all hear that tree?
Yep.
We've had that happen before.
How is this
If you're here, can you make the tree squeak again?
branch suspended on that?
It is.
There it is again. If you don't want Tate on the rock, can you make that thing squeak 3 times? If you want him on the rock, make the tree squeak 3 times. There's the third. There you go, Tate. Let's ask some questions then. Because it's in the trees.
My God.
And people at home, if you don't think you can talk to the trees, you're crazy because you can. Ask some questions, Tater.
You ask them.
You're the one on the rock.
Yeah, but you're getting answers. Ask them. Then I'll ask them.
It hasn't squeaked at all until we started asking.
I know.
Go ahead.
Ask. You got any questions first?
I do.
You're on video, y'all. Go ahead.
Y'all ask questions first. I'll ask them
I'm
next.
just gonna ask one. Were we supposed to be here tonight? If we're supposed to be here tonight, make that tree sound again.
Nothing.
If we're not supposed to be here, make it sound.
Interesting fact. Since I've been sitting on Pier Rock, my right here, you know,
That's how, what pages
What's
are.
that? I mean, aneurysm? Oh,
No.
Stress.
darn.
So tinnitus, ringing
There it
in the
is.
ears, is caused by something that stresses you or gets, on a frequency that your ears aren't tuned for, and that's why the ringing is so searing in your ears. And both mine are ringing. So
If you want Tate to ask you some questions, make that squeaking sound. Go ahead. There was something. Did I hear that thud?
I've heard them all since we've been here, all around us. It's the thud on the ground, like a real heavy thud.
If we're in danger, make a sound, any sound at all, if we're in danger. So nobody's here.
Now I'm gonna make a knock again.
Nobody home?
Sorry, guys.
You don't want me hitting on your tree.
I get. I'm camera blind.
Is that a hellhound? Can you make the tree squeak just one more time? One more time. Woo, woo, woo.
Anybody else want to try this?
I don't want to get on the rock.
You do?
I don't.
Do you, Taylor?
You can, Taylor.
No. I got a little girl to go home to.
Heck no.
I get bad juju vibes over here, so
feel it in the night?
I felt it just walking up here. I mean, I came over here because y'all came over here, not because I wanted to.
Right.
So,
Right. Right.
leave no man behind.
Yep. That is right.
We're here.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay. That kind of had me excited for a second.
You say we're here?
Yeah. We're here.
I know they heard that.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. Was that you? Did you hear that? Kind of sounded like something moving on the river, like the rocks shifting.
Looks like there's something in this tree up here. The light's still there, Tater. Followed us down a little bit.
Probably should have waited till after we hunted before I ate.
Oh.
I haven't eaten 3 days, and my stomach is processing.
He's a gassy little boy tonight.
Definitely got something going on.
We'll get a live video out of it tonight too.
Yeah, we'll start live.
See how I cut the night vision off right there? Yeah. Let's see. Guys, that's the moonlight through the canopy.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Tree just scooping in here.
Yeah,
the tree.
Right here.
I hear it. Want me to go live?
Yep. You can tell you why we can't see footprints?
Frozen.
It's so froze that the ice crystals is pushed up through the ground, and I didn't even think about that just being, I mean, it didn't even dawn on me.
Until now.
Yep. Well, I told over and crunching around, and I'm going, yeah, I'm not going to see a foot. I might see an indentation, but I'm not going to see a footprint.
Yep.
Who that? Who that? It's a minion.
Yeah.
Boy, that tree's sweeping now.
Yep.
This is a surprise Bigfoot live investigation, everybody. Let's join him. Probably should have titled it Live Bigfoot Investigation, but
What'd you title it?
nothing.
You should have entitled it Cold Nuts Bigfoot Investigation.
There's a blank title?
What's up, Tweetsy Railroad?
All right, is it snowing in Tweetsy?
No kidding. Dale Roy Keller, what's up? It was snowing up there today.
It's snowing here, apparently.
Everyone joining Tata's on
Beer Rock.
Fear Rock.
Yep.
Hi, Christy. McNichol. There's a. Did y'all hear that?
Mm-hmm.
My hands are cold. My nose is cold. My feet are cold.
28 in here. Nice.
That's the one thing I like about my thing is I can go inside, put it on my inside me, and it's just like a heater in there. So
Your head and face don't get cold?
Well, yeah, but I mean, I'm tolerating it.
What's up, everybody?
I'm jealous of y'all's face gear, but I'll have my own next time.
Oh.
I'm gonna break out my own J.E. Morgan thermal camo face masks. So I made them myself.
J.G. Wentworth face mask.
Yeah.
Remember, when this bat breaks one day, it will be y'all's again.
Taylor's gonna break it tonight on the tree.
No.
Cool.
West Virginia, what's up?
Swing to his hand.
West Virginia, hello.
Yeah.
West Virginia.
I don't even need that long. Australia, what's up?
Oh, hey,
New
hey
York,
guys.
how are you?
Down under.
Yeah. Do you come from the down under?
Are there Outback Steakhouses in Australia?
I doubt it.
Is that authentic Australian cuisine?
I
Let
doubt
us
You can share that there, everybody.
Let us know in the
Louisiana,
chat.
how are you?
know. Let us know in the chat.
If you want to hear Dave or Tate do anything, just request it. Florida, how are you? You crack me up, Ellis. Lexi Ellis. Tate is sitting on the most haunted rock in North Carolina right now.
Some would say.
Hello from Oklahoma. What's up, Jeff Wise?
Deer Rock.
Cheers from Ontario, Canada.
Oh, wow.
So, Canada.
Our 51st state.
Yeah, is that true? How do y'all like that? I just don't think that's gonna happen. Good Lord.
Got a smile out of Tate.
Golly.
Y'all want to join him? We won't get into politics. This is
Well, I was being funny, everybody. I'm just being funny. I was comedic content.
My dad talked
Do
about
a
that
yell,
work
Tate.
today. Alright, but my dad talked about that work today and he was like, could you believe he said that? I was like,
Yeah, but you know Trudeau's resigning.
who?
Trudeau, the prime minister, he's stepping down.
Are we just going to annex it?
No, he's leaving. He's not going to be the prime minister of Canada
He's
anymore.
going to take... I've heard so much junk or crap.
His resignation is ready, and he is just waiting for them to find his replacement.
the Gulf of America. Go ahead, Tate. Give him a call.
Well, did they really ask me
Yeah,
to?
they really did. Yeah, I swear.
Dave is the caller.
I swear somebody said, tell Tate to give a call. I swear.
Oh.
They said, make him do it now. No, they did ask for you to. Pennsylvania. Happy hunting.
PA, yeah.
And then I'm going to stay quiet now and let this be a part of the video. Every time, make a call.
The wind starts up.
And the tree screams.
I ain't no camera.
Honest.
Get a first person perspective of Fear Rock.
I'm actually holding it for a change. I don't get to hold it much.
That's all good. I've got it.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Things squeaking again, Tater.
So I want to ask you a question.
I dropped my first trailer today.
Hey, tell the chat to send in question requests and we'll ask the woods, forest, or Bigfoot a question, whoever's making noises at us.
Yeah, everyone, there's something that keeps making noises at us whenever we ask questions. Don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but think of some questions to ask, and if it answers back, we'll let you know.
Is that the wind?
Wow. Are you there?
That's right here to the left.
There's something pecking right beside of it.
It's straight ahead to the left.
Look at its mouth, it sounds like... that did OCO.
OCO! Slookaloo!
This branch just, I know this got caught on camera. This branch literally just shot right up in front of this camera and blocked my screen.
You bow hunt tape.
Bow hunt?
Yeah.
I haven't in a really good while.
So there's this picture or video circling, around. This guy's got this monster buck. And I mean, I'm just making numbers up here. 20, 30 feet away from his stand.
Mm-hmm.
And he pulls back. Now he's got a clear shot through the tree limbs. And he lets go and you hear, pow! And the buck just kind of does this and stands still. And the arrow sticks in a tree branch about a 1/4 inch around. And it's sitting there and the arrow's just doing this.
Oh gosh.
How he hit that arrow out of all that mess
Yeah.
with that deer.
That's
It was
like a
trophy deer.
That's like a different one. Yeah, you don't see that every day.
Right here. I need to get back to where we were connected.
What's that?
Every time I get to Fear Rock. People at home, you can still hear reconnect.
Who are you?
Okay, I hope you're all still here. Every time I went over to Fear Rock and the phone disconnected.
Who are you?
Who am I?
No, you.
You can still hear us. Comment. So if y'all hear this tree creaking, I know it sounds crazy. But when we ask it a question, it creaks. Like we start talking and not showing it any attention. Creak 3 times if that's really something creaking this tree. Three times. Give it knock, Tater.
Sure.
Every time I get close to there, we disconnect. Check it out. Thing's tripping out. The phone.
That's a bad one.
You see the snow falling in front of the camera now?
Still haven't seen it.
Hear that?
Yeah.
Crashing behind us.
God.
Y'all won't climb the tree?
No. Leastways not these little twiggly branch things.
He's a creaking again. cold. Very cold.
You see the different technique I'm doing to not kill my hands?
Yeah, you're kind of letting loose quick as you.
Body
Yeah.
rotation instead of the arm movement.
Okay.
So, you know, just making contact.
Oh, okay.
Just like a base hit, just palm up, palm down. Here, here, here. Like that.
Cool, bro. Learning stuff.
The more you know.
The more you know. Remember this will serve you well in life. No matter where you are, that's where you're at.
Remember this, nothing rolls like a ball.
Besides David throwing himself down a hill for a movie we never saw.
Oh my God, was that not sad?
Yeah.
I mean, all the effort we put into that and such a bust.
Yeah.
You know, for the times though, and the budget and the manpower we had, that was
Yeah.
pretty good special visual effects.
Yeah, we did a fantastic
Could've got
job.
hurt
Yeah.
or something.
He just didn't have enough story content film to go with it.
Get to the truck.
That was fun.
That was great.
Taylor keeps edging towards the
Exit.
So
No. I'm just trying to get away so y'all can film.
oh, you
Oh no, I'm good. I'm just keeping it rolling in case something happens. You know, we'll have it. So
have to see the first part of what we filmed. To get some good stuff tonight.
Yeah.
She's asking questions.
Yeah. Y'all have questions, ask away. We read them, and we will do them. Maybe, depending.
We will do the questions.
within reason.
That was a really good explanation.
We can show them the tree though. No, never mind. They got to watch that one.
We're just not going to reenact anything from Deliverance.
Is it?
No, we're good. We're good.
Oh.
What do you say?
I said we're not reenacting anything from Deliverance.
I ain't kissing tape.
What was that? Uh-oh.
Well,
See, it's
Let's get back in the Let's get back up here.
You hear that movement behind me?
yes.
That was crazy. That was bright.
Yeah.
That's a good night vision shot.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna close this off for a minute.